Good news on the economy. The finance minister releases the latest figures in Parliament. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, long wait. A new timeline for compensation for West Kingston residents, years after the big clash between gunmen and police.
Go slow. Problems force managers to man lines at Tax Administration Jamaica offices.
Murder mania. Clarendon cops respond to a bloody 3 days in one of the parish's communities.
Rude. An MP tackles another in Gordon House after committee meeting is put off. But why were MPs late? This evening, the reason might surprise you.
In business news, the nation's banks are one step closer to start expanding service to more Jamaicans.
There is also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think people affected during the Tivoli incursion should be compensated? Why or why not?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.